for 1, 2, 3, forward with that left for 5, 6, 7. Again, back right, 1, 2, 3, forward left, 5, 6, 7. Side basic is the same. So we're starting with that right foot, going side for 1, 2, 3, side left, 5, 6, 7. Side right, 1, 2, 3, side left, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia step, that right foot is going back behind the left, not stepping too far back, but right behind it. Okay, so we're going side or cumbia step for 1, 2, 3, side left, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia step, 1, 2, 3, side 5, 6, 7. Right turns, same concept. Right foot is going back, so we're going back for 1, 2, 3. We're going to step forward with that left foot for 5. Now we're going to do that pivot step, turn 6. Again, remember that we're not leaning back, that we're leaning forward, so our weight is present on that right foot. All the way around, push with that left foot for 7. Notice that my right heel goes up so that I can step back on 1. Okay, so one more time again, it looks like this. Going back for 1, 2, 3, forward, left, 5, pivot 6, around 7, back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'll do this again with a basic and then a right turn. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, right turn, 5, 6, 7. Back, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q's, same thing, weight shifting on both feet, but just alternating when we're doing that. So going back with that right foot for 1, 2, 3, crossing over left, 5, 6, 7. Cross over right for 1, 2, 3. Cross over left for 5, 6, 7. Cross over right, 1, 2, 3. Out on left, so we're going to step out of this for 5, 6, 7. Basic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The next thing is we're looking at is traveling Susie Q's or uptown, downtown. Right foot going back for 1, 2, 3. This is a basic. 5, 6, 7. Travel Susie. Crossing over for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapping side on the 8. Then traveling the other direction for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go out on 8 if you're going in the other direction, or back 8, so that you can step back for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I won't do as much traveling because I'm trying to stay in frame, but you are traveling with this, okay? So basic again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic 5,